Hey guys, welcome back to episode 5 maybe? Yeah, I think it's 5. Welcome back to episode 5 of the series of learning HTML. So today we're going to be learning about putting links into images, tables, and ordered lists, and some styling of these lists. So let's go off and start by turning images into a link. So we've got our image, but we want it to be a link. So we're going to do the same as before, how we create a link, and we're going to send it to the index, the HTML. Then we're just going to close it as well. Now, let's make this a little bit longer. There we go. Now I'm going to actually copy this entire page, and I'm going to put it on this side. So I'm going to change this to about and this here to about as well. So I can show some examples of how it works. So now if I save both of these, and go back to here, made it full screen. Now if I click this, nothing happens. It's just on the same page, but if we click on this link, if you remember, it links to the about page. So we're now at about and about. But if we click on the image, boom, takes back to home, because that's what we set it to. Right, it only keeps that home. So let's go back to the about page. Let's go back home, and it's the same with this as well. We set them both to the opposites. Oh, it's not changing, but that's a shame. We can go back home with that. So that works. Now, I've shown you that. Let's move on to the next bit. So, tables. This is brilliant for your nav bars, your navigation. So, which page you want to go to, for example. So, we're actually going to do this in the head, but I reckon we're actually going to put this on ordered one. What we've got here already, we're going to remove this. We're actually going to put this into the head. Now, let's just order a bit. Now, save that. Now look at it work. Yeah, it's worked. Now I want to show you some styling with this. These little points here, we could change these. I'll show you how this is done. So, if we go into this bit of the table, and we type in style, I think it's style, no, list dash style dash type, I think it is. I might be wrong here, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. Equals, let's say, a square. So we type square. I'm going to save this. Okay, it didn't work. Let's think. What did I do wrong? I'm not too sure, to be honest. List dash style dash type circle. Okay, so it should be right. See, this is what I mean about you won't always remember everything. And this is why I'm going to put this in the description for you, because it will help you guys too. Now, I'm pretty sure I have done that right, but I probably just made a little mistake what I'm not realizing. So we'll just check that quickly. So what was I doing? I was doing a type list. I wanted to look at the styling, didn't I? So, how would one... There we go. List style type. There we go, man. There we go. Simple, tiny little mistake. Where is it? Oh, there it is. This equals. It's not an equals at all. It's this. Let's remove the quotations now. Small mistake. So let's save that. I'll show you this now. Save, sure. Apparently I'm doing something wrong again. This video is going fucking great this time, isn't it? Right. So, not doing quite as well this time, am I? So anyway, it turns out this whole thing goes into a quotation. It's classed as styles, of course it is, isn't it? My mistake. Let's hope that doesn't happen again. I am tired, so sorry, but let's save that. Oh my god. Save that. Whoa, our squares. Brilliant, it works. Now there's a list of all types of these you can have on this website. There we go, right here. So you can have discs, circles, squares, or no maps at all. And that's what we're going to go for. We're going to go for the one. What's no? Because we don't want these if it's going to be that navigational area where it takes us to different pages. So we don't want any dots at all. We want it like that. Now we've done that, let's go to the next type of list. So let's create a list again, but this time we're going to do an ordered list, which is an O instead, not a UL. Now we're going to do the same as before. We're going to do dogs and cats. So dog, cat, and front. So if we save it, you'll see the difference. 1, 2, 3 instead of dots. Now this can also be styled as well, but if I remember correctly, this one's done differently. And hopefully I shouldn't make mistakes like this one. I know there's a slight difference in these one for some reason. If you just type equals, now hopefully I get it right, equals, let's say, capital A, and we save it. And there we go, it's an ABC. So this is how I probably got confused between yours. And you can do lowercase a, control save. I'll give you lowercase a's. Better yet, if I do a capital I, control save, we'll do Roman numerals. Brilliant. So there's actually a list I use on here as well. And this will be in the description for this website, so you can have a look to see all the types you can use. So there we go, that's the ordered list, the other version. Now I've shown you that, let's move to the next one. So tables is what we're going to do next. So let's create a table. So how would you do that? Well, let's just type table as a tag, just like that. Now in between this, we want to create like table areas, so table headings. So the top of the table, the categories, for example. So if we go th for table head, let's say we're going to put first name. Let's do another one. th second name. Oh well. Second name. And then we're going to put age. Now we've done that, we're just gonna, oh sorry, my bad, I forgot to tell you, you need to make a row for a table. So to make a row you need to do that, a tr for table row, and then after you've one th is table heading. So we're going to close this down here, like so. Push up pause. Let's make this a bit more neat. There we go. Let's control save that, show you what it's done so far. There we go. So first name, second name, age. So let's move on. So we're going to do another table row. So we go underneath that one. So tr. And this time, instead of doing th, we're going to do a td for table data. And we're going to put a name. So let's try John. And then his second name. Doe. And then his name. His age. Let's call him 35. Maybe save that. There we go. It lists him in. Let's just do one more underneath him. Let's copy and paste this. So let's just place that Jane, and we'll make her 21. Save that. And there we go. That's how you make a table. So that's all I'm going to do for this video. I hope you found it helpful and you enjoyed it. And I'm going to start my next episode soon, so if you want to go into more depth and learn even more, please go to the next episode and go and enjoy that one too. And if you did enjoy this video and you learned something, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.